Hey everybody, Mike here. Here's a quick review on this Dewalt Hedge Trimmer we picked up, I think it's been pushing 3 years ago now. And believe it or not, this isn't actually something that I was after. This is the tool that my wife decided was a must-have. So this is model DCHT820, and it's a 22-inch bar on the hedge trimmer, which is advertised as being able to cut up to 3/4 inch wide branches. Now with my experience and with my wife's, I'm gonna say 3/4 inch is pushing it. It will cut a 3/4 inch branch, not well. I'm saying 1/2 inch to 5/8. That's kind of my recommendation as what this thing can handle. And not lose speed or jam up on you anyways. Keep this in mind too. Depends on what you're cutting. If it's a harder wood, obviously it's going to be a little bit thinner diameter branch. But if you're doing something that's a softer wood or just your normal bushes out front side of the house, you know what I mean? That's a little bit different story. So keep that in mind too. It's not in a perfect world, 3/4 inch is probably achievable. But when you start getting a little bit harder brush or whatnot, it's going to be a little bit thinner branch. When we first found out that Dewalt had come out with this hedge trimmer and it was a cordless, my wife was all over that. She hated taking that cord around the garden, around the front. She actually did get the cord in the way once and cut a cord. So she's loved having this battery-powered hedge trimmer by Dewalt now, ever since they come out with it. And I'll definitely attest, it's been a solid purchase. We've really enjoyed using this thing. It's made hedge trimming just a little bit more convenient for us when we're using it. And what's really cool about the storage on this thing, there's a little hanger you could pick up as well, that you can hang this on the wall, which keeps it just up off the shelf or off the floor. We've really liked having that little hanger on the wall that's designed specifically for this Dewalt hedge trimmer. So if you're in the market for a hedge trimmer and you were like us and you're really wanting to get rid of that cord, check out this little 20-volt Dewalt hedge trimmer and see if this might be the right fit for you. I know we've been really happy with the quality and the cut, and we feel like it'll last us for several more years to come.